Renewal by Andersen has arrived. Today is the first day of 2 days to have our windows replaced. So Lincoln, where are we going to start?
These three here.
All right.
These three windows.
The two picture windows and the kitchen slider. Fantastic. They're starting a little late today because of the trip from Tacoma.
Yes, sir. Oh, 2-hour drive.
2-hour drive, and they're staying overnight here in Sequim, and we'll resume work tomorrow. It's a good day to replace windows. Not too hot, no rain, signs coming out. Very well organized in there. One of the three they hope to install before the end of the day. There's the largest picture window.
Truck doesn't seem so big no more.
Covering things up here. Is that blowing too hard?
No, you're good. That's perfect.
We put in that ductless heat pump air conditioner system, one of the first things, and it's been the best thing we've ever done.
That's awesome.
There was baseboards throughout the house here, went clear the length under the window.
Well, I mean, we can definitely give you some ideas.
Measure twice, cut once.
Absolutely. So we know where to make our marks over here to make our cutout. So when we pull out this window and take off this trim, that just slaps right in, and then we can install it.
The original was an aluminum frame, and so when Glass Services removed it, they cut it out. So there may be some aluminum flange in there or something. It'll be a discovery process. Yeah.
Time will tell.
So, you know, of course, when we pull the window, we're gonna have some sawdust. So we're gonna hang the plastic there. Basically, just keep all the mess outside, you know. So instead of, you know, wrapping the whole house up, everything will just stay inside of the pocket here.
Makes sense.
For shipping, we have these little orange tabs that go into these little holes to keep our sashes from falling out because they're removable. When you slide them around, those things tend to like to pop out. But once you get all of them removed on both sides,
Okay.
you can do something like this, and the panel will fall out to you.
Look at that. So both slider panels come out.
Absolutely.
One thing about the Andersen windows, both sides slide when you get a slider. Kind of nice. Gives you more flexibility.
It makes it a lot easier for cleaning. If you don't want to step outside, I mean, ultimately, you can take both panels out from the inside, leave your screen on, and you can clean your panels, pop them both back in, lock it, and then you're good to go.
You can do it from the inside and not climb a ladder then.
Heck yeah.
Pull 101, that's 107, the big one. I pull 101 here.
When Renewal by Andersen came out to measure the windows, They put this little sticker on the windows that are going to be replaced.
No, we were pretty hot yesterday.
Yeah. Well, that's neat. Nice little stand, almost like a scaffolding.
Oh yeah. No plank.
Are you keeping these windows?
No.
No, sir. No, yeah.
What would I do with them? You're putting it back?
Getting those in a more protected spot so I can get to your big guy back.
Ah.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna call the beast.
The beast.
That's the big one.
We were 30 years in Seattle area and then 30 years in Virginia and decided, hey, we want to retire here.
Right. This is a beautiful area too.
It is.
Nice.
And he gears up.
Time to suit up. Seems like I'm gonna start pulling this trim.
I'm just cutting the ceiling on this thing so when we pull the window, it's not gonna pull this out.
That's the third window getting covered up with the plastic to keep the dust on the outside when they cut them out.
We put the rubber runner down just in case anything hard falls. It's just like a protectant, and we put the plastic down so whenever we put this stuff down, we can wrap it up into a burrito at the end.
Oh,
And
nice.
then carry it off all at once. That kind of keeps all the dirtiness contained in one spot and makes the cleanup really quick.
We're gonna need Zeus.
The trim is secure on the house, making it difficult to remove.
It's not weatherproof. So this one had no nail fin. You can see right here they cut it off.
Yeah.
Air was going through, you know, moistures and all that stuff. So and it moves when you pry on it. Like it's still in there, but when I pry on it,
Is there wood damage here that needs to be?
no. We're definitely gonna cut out this board. We're gonna
Yeah.
cut like 1.5 inches from here. So it'll be our window will be set to the framing behind this board. That way it's way more weather tight and you won't see the seam because it will caulk everything. And it'll be behind this board. So
Very good.
Check that out. The Hulk himself will not rip the trim.
The weight of the windows being supported by that trim board.
yep, it's sitting on this board right now.
Oh man. Not properly installed.
No.
There it is.
Got it. Huh? Except it means that you have to cover it up with something. There's something gratifying with destructive dismantling, huh?
76. 2 1/8 will get cut back. Get it.
Yep.
Our cutout is 2 1/8. Yep.
there it goes.
Yeah, the window's definitely not. Nothing is holding it in.
Any idea why it was done like that?
I'm pretty sure the only other reason why they would do it like this is because they didn't want to cut into the siding here. And if they're not if you're not replacing the interior trim, that would be the other reason why.
Okay.
The only difference between them and us, we have a tool that actually cut the liner back. Depending on how wide the window is, we can set it in as far as we want, but onto the weather strip, of course.
Okay. I was thinking that maybe they just wanted some more sill space for plants and stuff, but
No, yeah, never smoked it.
Oh, the middle.
So because they're not sitting on the framing, I'm pretty sure. So right now, that's almost a half inch right there. That's level right there.
oh wow.
Yeah.
No wonder I was seeing crooked looking out the window. So not only were the windows installed improperly outside of the frame of the house, at least this one, is not level. So about 4 years ago, when I was looking into a window installer, I called Andersen Windows, and they told me they didn't service out here in Sequim. So what's changed?
A lot. You know, the company, it grew so much. When I started this company, we're running out of one shop, and there was only 8 trucks.
Wow.
Now we got 5 different shops and 14 trucks per shop. So it's getting bigger. Now we're coming out this way, you know.
The original shop being based out of Seattle, and now we have a SeaTac shop, a South Sound shop is what me and him are based out of. Then we have an Everett shop, a Spokane branch, and a Boise State branch. So.
Well, it's fortuitous that I need the windows replaced again.
Absolutely.
This time doing it right.
For sure.